Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. In our earlier entries in the Vedic Defense Mantras series, we uncovered the grave dangers facing Hinduism today through demographic evidence, crisis analysis, and the deliberate erosion of dharmic life. We then turned to the Rigveda for a framework of spiritual defense. Agni's purifying fire taught resilience. Indra's warrior strength revealed courage in overwhelming odds. Now we move to the Ashwini Kumars, divine twins of the Rigveda, whose role completes this framework. Swift divine intervention, healing restoration, and compassionate elimination of threats. The Ashwini Kumars are more than benevolent healers. They are Nasatya, truth speakers, and Dasra, wonder workers. Swift as dawn itself, they arrive at the most urgent hour to rescue devotees. In Vedic cosmology, their nature is dual. They heal wounds, restore what is broken, and revive weakened communities. Yet the same power destroys Panis Rakshasas and those who undermine Dharma. This principle is central. True protection means both nurturing the good and removing the harmful. The healer and the destroyer are not opposites, but two expressions of divine wisdom. The hymns describe the Ashwins as the fastest responders. Their chariot, drawn by white horses, cuts across the horizon at dawn. They are invoked for healing, restoration of wounded bodies and broken traditions, enemy elimination, striking down forces of deception, liberation operations, rescuing sages and teachers from oppression, and swift intervention that secures survival at the most critical hour. Communities through history invoked the Ashwini Kumars during times of crisis. During the Gupta era, protective rituals sought their blessing against invading forces. Vijayanagara records tell of Ashwini invocations paired with military preparations, ensuring both divine and practical defense. Even the Maratha resistance combined mutual aid with these suktas, showing that divine intervention was always integrated with collective human effort. These examples underline a consistent truth. Survival required both spiritual invocation and practical unity. The destructive side of the Ashwins is not about hatred. It is about compassionate elimination. The Mahabharata's Shanti Parva reminds us that which preserves dharma through destruction of adharma is the highest compassion. Destroying threats with dharmic intent prevents greater harm, while destruction fueled by anger only creates new cycles of suffering. This teaching protects communities from falling into revenge, keeping the focus on preservation of dharma and karmic purity. The Rigveda preserves their role vividly. In Rigveda 1.162, the Ashwins are invoked to defeat Panis who gain influence without yajna. In Rigveda 1.7.8, they liberate the sage Saptavadri from captivity. In Rigveda 1.63, they destroy Rakshasas working against dharmic order. And in Rigveda 8.22, they ensure swift protection and material security, horses, cattle, and prosperity for those under threat. These verses demonstrate that their protection is complete, physical, spiritual, and economic. Traditional practice called for dawn gatherings, coordinated recitations, and integration with mutual protection systems. Communities intensified their invocations during crisis, ensuring that divine aid was matched with human preparedness. Today, these lessons are not abstract. They can inspire modern communities to organize collective prayer, build mutual aid networks, and protect their spiritual and cultural continuity. The Ashwini Kumars reveal that divine protection is never one-sided. It heals wounds, revives what is broken, and eliminates threats before they can strike again. Their suktas remind us that survival requires both compassion and strength, both renewal and defense. In them, we see the full arc of divine protection, swift intervention, healing grace, and uncompromising defense of dharma. Through the Ashwini Kumar Suktas, the Vedic Defense Mantra series affirms this truth. Dharma endures not through retaliation, but through divine invocation and collective resilience. If the contents of the video were found useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit hinduinfopedia.org to read the blog.